Nora loves this activity refrigerator toys. Yeah. So this is just a bear. So I have Tomy refrigerator toy. It have gear motor. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I like this toy. Yeah. It was fun. It's from Baby Newton and Baby Shakespeare, right? So it have batteries in it. Sorry about that. Alright. There's a robot gear. It have crazy eyes. So there's a magnet in it. So put on a refrigerator. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Right, there's a monster gear. Yeah, he's so tiny. He's look like an insect. Yeah, I like this cute gear. And there's a flower gear. Those are big one. Yeah, I like this gear. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And there's a beach ball gear. They have zany optical illusions. They have spin. So it have slides. Yeah, I like this toy. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So it have rattle gear. It was pretty cool. Yeah, love this toy. Yeah, I think Noah loves this toy. I think it was Baby Shakespeare and Baby Noon, right? So I'll put this toys away. So did you like this toy? And it's pretty good. Well, yeah, I like this toy. Yeah, it was cute. Those big one. Yeah, there's batteries in it. Not batteries in. So I will need to get this batteries tomorrow. So, alright. Well, I think I get ready to bed. So don't forget to subscribe. So click this comment down below. So push some bills in it. Well, not really. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you see you guys next time. Peace out.